Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax of Houston, and I'm checking out one of our new 2024 17 Montauks by Whaler. Uh, the Boston Whaler 17 Montauk is and always has been one of our more popular models. Not only is this boat unsinkable and versatile, but it'll fit in most garages. One of the great reasons it fits in a garage so good is this swing away tongue on the trailer. We've also got a collapsible bimini top that allows you to lower the top to clear the head clearance on most garages. This boat's got some really cool features, even though it's a small package. It's very seaworthy, can handle rough water. You can add a trolling motor to it, use it for all different types of fishing. This particular one, we ordered the optional sun cushions on the front. And you'll see we've got a really nice cooler seat here, which is actually removable, but that gives you extra seating and versatility. Storage in the console, lots of rod holders. This boat's already equipped with a Simrad GPS fish finder, hydraulic steering, and underneath this flip-flop seat, which will allow you to use this as a leaning post, a seat facing forward or back. Under here, we have a really nice aerated live well to keep your fish alive. This one has the jump seats in the back, and these are kind of cool because you can actually remove these and you have rod holders. Another feature I like a lot about this boat is this swim ladder on the back. It not only has a really long swim ladder, but it's got a nice platform. So if the kids are wanting to do water sports or swim, or if you're wade fishing and you need to get in and out of the boat easily, this is a great feature. We're powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine. We've got a galvanized trailer. This boat's great for saltwater, freshwater. It's rated for 7 people, even though it's only a 17-foot boat. This is one of our great offerings here at MarineMax in Houston. Come check this one out, and all the way up to the yachts we carry. We've got all different sizes for you. I'm Paul. I'm here to take care of you.